Today we're going to put the door panel back on this 2011 Kia Optima. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and connect all of these pigtails back together. It's just a couple of them, two of them. So let's go ahead and connect them. They're going to go, if I have a little bit of a help here, this one's going to go right in here. And the next one is going to go right here, right on the master control switch. There it is. Perfect. So now what we're going to do is put the door up. We're going to sit it right on this lip here. There it is. Perfect. It's just dangling there. Perfect. Now we're just going to go ahead and compress it all the way around. Make sure we get a nice good seal. Perfect. Now we're ready to put our two screws. And we have our little plastic trim here. Let's go ahead and put that on. Just slides into place like so. These screws go right here and right in here. And let's go ahead and secure those down with a Phillips screwdriver. Make sure they're both nice and tight. Then put the cover back on. Make sure this one's nice and tight. And then put the cover back on that one. That's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Make sure everything is working. Should be. Let's see. Alright, that's working right there. Back windows, reason why we replaced the master switch. Perfect. Perfect. Sweet. Sweet. And there it is. Everything is working. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.